Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you exactly how can you change your email address on Facebook in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up till the end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. Now since we're gonna be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, we need to get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Find Facebook because we need to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After the update, you can go ahead and open Facebook, make sure you are logged in and then tap right here in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, you can tap here in the top right again to open settings, or you can scroll down instead, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings of course because we need to get to settings. Now from settings, tap right here to open Account Center, and from Account Center, tap on personal details. From here, tap on contact info in the top of these options. You will find all of your emails and phone numbers associated to your account right here. If you want to change one, you need to have more than one right here. So if you only have one email and you want to change it, first tap on add new contact in the bottom, and then tap on add email right here, and go ahead and add the second email or the new email that you want to be on your account. Then we'll go back and tap on the old email and tap on delete right here. So basically you need to first add a new one and then delete the old one. Once you're done deleting the old email, you can go back and of course you are good to go from here. If you want to do the same thing to the phone numbers, it's basically the same. Add the new one and then go back to delete the old one. And that's basically how can you do it. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video.